Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds EARFUN Air Pro 4. You have to start by open EARFUN audio application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see the same menu. You need to tap at your earbuds, and then we need to scroll down. You need to find accessibility, and right here we have voice prompt setting. Tap at this line, and right here we have the volume. So if you want to increase it, just move this dot to the left, and to lower it, just move it to the right. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!